$30,000 in 30 days with Instagram promos. Hassan used Instagram promotions to make over $30,000 in total revenue with his Shopify dropshipping stores using the leverage of Instagram influencers and Instagram promotions. Today, we're gonna deep dive into his business and how exactly he did it and how you can do it for yourself. People are making thousands of dollars every single day, every single week, every single month with Shopify dropshipping, and now you can learn the strategies to do it for yourself. The great thing about this is that it does not require any ads whatsoever, no Facebook bans, no TikTok bans, literally going ahead and setting up Instagram promos, paying people for promotions to advertise your product, and in return, getting a great return on your investment. He's gonna explain the exact process that he's been using to blow up his store and the exact process that you could to blow up your next e-commerce business. And as always, every single video, we give away a Shopify winner product and completely done for you store. Since a video we recently posted got over 4,000 views, we're gonna choose 2 winners from that one. One of them, which we already did in the last video. And the second winner is Angel. She said, Shopify, have just started learning about getting into dropshipping, and this video really gave me so much information and knowledge to start my own store. Thank you so much. I'm glad you enjoyed the video, and message me on Instagram for your own Shopify store. You're gonna get a completely done store with a product, with the description done, logo, color scheme, custom theme, you name it. And if you want to be entered for this week's giveaway, just comment the word Shopify right down below in the comments and something you enjoyed about this video. And make sure you're subscribed to the channel, hit that like button, and turn on your post notifications. Without further ado, let's introduce you to Hassan, one of our Ecom Uprise members who's crushing it with Instagram promotions, and let him explain exactly how he's doing it so you can do it for yourself. Also, real quick, if you do want to join the community and get results just like Hassan, the link will be right down below in the description, or you can go to ecomuprisuniversity.com to join our step-by-step updated program. And with that, let's begin. Hassan, welcome to the YouTube channel. How you doing, King?
What's up, guys?
So Hassan's a little shy. It was hard to get him on the channel, but we're there. And he's actually working on getting an entire section in the program. You're going to be talking about what exactly you're going to be talking about. You want to run through that and exactly how, like, you know, what's the breakdown of what you're recording for the program?
So basically, I'm going to be teaching everyone how to run Instagram promos to make like the most sales. You can use Instagram promos to test out your products before you go onto like TikTok or Facebook or Snapchat. Mm-hmm. And it's pretty much the easiest way. There's not much experimenting you need to do. You can literally promote it on like one page. If it does well, you know it's a good product. If it doesn't, then you can just switch it up.
Right. So Instagram promotions are, let's break it down for the beginners that do not know at all exactly what Instagram influencers is and Instagram promotions. How does that work? What is it? And how is it making you money right now?
So you basically look for a theme page which is in your niche. So if it's for females, then you look for a niche that's hair, beauty, makeup, stuff like that. You check out the account. If it's a good account, if you know it's getting good views, you can basically hit them up and ask them, like, can I get a promotion? And then they'll give you their charges. So say if it's $300 they're charging, then you basically tell them to advertise your product, put your link for your website in their bio.
Nice.
Give a caption. And it's normally 24 hours. You could get extended one, but best way to do it is 24 hours.
Love that. So take us back a little bit to the first time that you discovered how to use this, right? What got you into Instagram promotions, and what was your reaction when you started to see the sales come in? Because, I've been working with you for a little bit now, and you've been in the program and you've been in the community helping people as well. And that's so awesome to see. It's cool to see that your growth. And the coolest part is that you found a product, you built the website, and then you started booking Instagram promotions on these pages, and it started to roll in sales. It was literally that simple. So walk us through exactly like your reaction and the behind the scenes on that.
I think it was March when I first launched the store of this year. So I made the website, I made everything. That took me about 3 or 4 days. It wasn't the best website. It wasn't the best anything. And then basically, I thought the easiest. Oh, I did try TikTok and Facebook. That didn't end too well. I didn't really know what I was doing. This is my first store, by the way. So, so then I took it to Instagram, and I thought, like, why not try and get like a shout out, a promotion? So I seen like it was a really good account, and they're only charging $150. And this was the first like promotion I've ever gotten. It was the first day of the website launching. And I basically hit them up. They gave me the rates. I put my post, my caption, website, and then yeah, it just took off from there. That first thing, I think it was in 4 or 5 hours, I hit $1,000 in sales.
Wow.
And it was a 24-hour promotion. So that in the first 4 hours, it did the best. And then after that, it was just consistently doing about $100 to $200 in like an hour.
Wow.
So I managed to, I think, end the day off at like $1,700. That was in like 10 hours.
And that's how much did you spend to get that 1,700 in sales?
$150.
150 to 1,700.
Yep.
That's
and that was only a few hours. Because then I think during the night while I was asleep, I woke up and I had another $1,000-something.
Wow. Congrats.
So
man. That's big.
Thanks. So it's around 2-point-something K in 24 hours.
Fire. Okay, cool. So then once you saw that, I guess you double down from there, right? So
Yep.
you literally just messaged an Instagram page, hey, like what was your message to this Instagram page?
I think it was just how much do you... Well, I tried to make it look professional. Messaged them from my business account. I said, how much do you charge for promos? They go back to me. They asked for the content. So I sent it over. And they said, oh, what time would you like to post it? So I think it was... They told me the best time to post it was around 3 p.m. But I did 12 p.m. Eastern time. Because I think that's when like you get the most engagement. So I did it then in 4 hours.
Nice.
$1,000.
I love that. That's so 12 o'clock, and you literally just messaged them, you booked it, you sent them a PayPal or whatever it is.
Yep.
And then let's talk about the post itself. Did you use a video? Did you use a photo? What do you see worked for you, and how did you create that post?
I think the best thing to do is literally like, TikTok posts. Just something that's engaging, that's quick. It was only a few seconds long. I think it was like 5 to 7 seconds of full video. Yeah, that was about it. So TikTok videos, pictures won't do as good, and making sure they post it as a reel so it can get on the explore page. Different people can see it.
Nice. Okay, cool. So reels, and then you just used the video, and then that really took off for you. And then in terms of the caption, right? Are you telling people to follow you? Or are you telling them link in bio? What's the caption structure?
The caption was just the first line was in caps, link in bio. Then I added like an emoji or two, and then after that I'd talk about the actual page, say these guys, and I'd tag myself, like my own account. And it just helped me gain followers as well. So the people who didn't buy would still follow me. They'd see, and I noticed like when I'd post the next time on the same Instagram, those people who were followers would convert to customers basically.
Right. So you would say like follow for more, or like follow for more like tips on whatever. And then you would just use like your page, you made a page for your store, your Instagram page. And then for the Instagram page, like, do you recommend people buying some followers? How do you set up your Instagram page for maximum results?
So the first thing I did was I bought, I think it was 10,000 followers. It's not that expensive. It's probably like $10 for 10,000 followers, around that much.
Nice.
I make a nice profile picture, a simple one. You add your name, of course, your business name. And then the bio, I just... the bio that I had at the time wasn't the best. It was a bit like... You could tell it was like a dropshipping website, because I had like arrows or bullet points and say free shipping, this, that. Now I think you just keep the bio short and simple about the product, what it does, and then you add your link in bio. And you gotta make sure you got posts before you promote the product. You need posts. If you don't have posts, then no one's really gonna follow or believe your store actually is legit.
Right. That's true. So it's really like a basic structure, and then you post a few things on there as well.
Yep, yeah, and make sure you got good captions. Also made fake Instagram accounts to comment on these posts.
Nice.
I tried not to be obvious.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, add fake profile picture, a fake name, just that.
That's so
and
smart.
Just comment.
I think that's so underrated, by the way. Social proof is huge.
It helps a lot. It therefore makes someone think like you're more legit.
Right.
Obviously, if you're gonna do everything legit, you're not gonna really get customers straight away for your thingy to give their reviews on your posts.
Facts.
So let's do it that way.
Facts. Okay, cool. All right, Hassan, thank you for coming on.
No worries.
Awesome. All right.